religious affiliation,
através
ethnic
de
affiliation, or
aspectos
any other
políticos
social
e
parameter
religiosos,
that is perceived like
visando parâmetros
we
sociais.
now
E agora
further classify dangerous
há
speech
uma outra
as
classificação para
speech
discursos
that
perigosos.
contains call to action.
Contém
Call to
estímulos
action is
ou
that
motivações
either
para
kill them,
agir.
attack them, defend yourself, and all this when the hate speech content this is now further classified as dangerous speech because it has the tendencies of applying violence. This is a contextual definition we have on hate speech, and it's what we are working on when we are discussing hate speech.
Collaboration between the EU and ECOWAS is crucial for sharing best practices, coordinating responses to digital threats, and fostering a culture of digital peace and security. Notably, the digital space transcends national borders, and efforts therefore must be multi-level, local and community-based, as much as they must be transnational, sub-regional, and continent-wide. The EU also recognizes the significant contribution of the German Federal Ministry of Economic Cooperation and Development, BMZ, for co-financing the ECOWAS Peace and Security Architecture and Operations EFSAL program, under which today's event and initiative is funded alongside the EU. To promote peace and stability in the region, these projects focus on conflict prevention, early warning, and response mechanisms is essential for addressing the root causes of instability in digital polarization. Finally, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would like to commend the ECOWAS Commission's early warning directives and CSO partners, those present here today, Release Intact, Cosmipas, Nuvagol, Dulaper, Laboratoire Planet, and other CSO across the ECOWAS region for their dedication and commitment to digital peace building. Your